Worldwide Fund for Nature International urges world leaders to adopt an ambitious and pragmatic framework during the second phase of the 15th meeting of the Conference of the Parties to the UN Convention on Biological Diversity, scheduled for December 7th to 19th in Montreal, Canada. In a video interview with Xinhua, Director General of WWF International Marco Lémbertény said that COP15 is a historic opportunity to seal a Paris-style agreement to guide global action through 2030 to halt and reverse nature laws.
COP15 is an historic opportunity to seal a Paris-style agreement, but for nature. And we've been waiting for the moment for some time. The COVID pandemic has delayed the negotiations. Now we are getting to the point where we have the opportunity for the whole world to agree on a global plan and a global goal for nature in order to address the crisis of biodiversity loss. So nature conservation is critical, not just for nature, but actually for us, for our future, and particularly for the climate agenda too. So great opportunity in Montreal, we can't miss it. We must sign an agreement because we can't postpone again our actions, coordinated actions for nature. There is a lot happening already. A lot of governments, a lot of corporates are doing good work for nature conservation, but we need a global plan that brings everybody on the same page, in the same direction, on the same ambition, to deliver action much higher scale and much faster than we've seen until now. So I'm optimistic.
Lémbertény stressed the importance of countries agreeing to a goal of conserving at least 30% of the planet's land, inland waters, and oceans by 2030 through a rights-based approach that recognizes the leadership and rights of indigenous peoples and local communities. He also highlighted China's fundamental role in engaging with different parties.
Nature loss is a global problem and requires everybody's participation to address it. At the government level, at the business level, at the investor level, and the consumer level. So multilateralism is critical. China's role is fundamental in engaging with the different parties, addressing misunderstandings or different views, and really driving the right level of ambition. That's something very important. We need to have an agreement that is appropriate and serious enough and ambitious enough to deal with the seriousness of the situation. We need to reverse nature loss. We need to bring nature back.